Hey everyone, welcome back to the MediaTek YouTube channel. Today, we have something really exciting to share with you. The Oukitel WP33 Pro, a rugged 5G smartphone that's making waves in the market. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's start with price and impressive set of features of WP33 Pro. The Oukitel WP33 Pro is priced at $595, making it a competitive choice in the rugged smartphone category. Now we talk about the social media integration on the WP33 Pro. With Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Share This sharing buttons, you can effortlessly share your adventures with just a tap. Stay connected and let your friends know what you're up to with the push of a button. If we talk about the specifications then, this rugged beauty is a dual SIM smartphone running on Android 13, providing a seamless and up-to-date user experience. The WP33 Pro was released in January 2024, and it's equipped with 5G capabilities, ensuring you stay connected with lightning-fast speeds. It's also 4G LTE, 3G, and 2G compatible, providing flexibility for various network environments. When we see its design then, the WP33 Pro boasts a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display, with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. It's not just about size, it's about clarity and vividness. The LCD display uses a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen. This smart rugged phone can be immersed in 1.5-meter water for up to 30 minutes. It's also LP69K certified to withstand high-pressure water jets and a 1.5-meter drop. And the phone also supports IP68 dust and water resistant. Let's talk about the performance. The WP33 Pro is powered by an octa-core CPU, featuring the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset and a Mali-G57 MP1 GPU. It is supported by 5G technology, which allows you to browse, play games, and watch videos with minimal frame drops and at blazingly fast speeds. The WP33 Pro Tough phone offers a generous increase in multitasking speed. The 8GB standard RAM can be increased up to 24GB if needed, and you can store your files, music, and movies on the 256GB ROM storage. Now, it's time to talk about capturing beautiful memories. This phone comes with a powerful triple rear camera setup, including a 64-megapixel Sony IMX686 main sensor, which captures amazing images in a variety of settings and allows 4K video recording of priceless events. A 20-megapixel night vision lens, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel sensor for stunning selfies. Whether it's day or night, this phone has you covered. If we talk about battery and charging then, it is powered by massive 22,000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery. This rugged phone's unrivaled battery capacity ensures a full week of daily use once fully charged it. This allows you to enjoy a week-long journey filled with remarkable memories. With its 18-watt fast and reverse charge technology, the WP33 Pro is the first rugged phone to match the charging speed of an iPhone. With this cutting-edge feature, you can charge your iPhone 15 up to 9 times with just a full single charge of the WP33 Pro. To make the WP33 Pro more portable, it comes with a nice leather hand strap with a finger ring that you can attach to your finger or connect to your backpack. In terms of connectivity, the WP33 Pro covers all the essentials things. It has face unlock and fingerprint sensor. It also supports USB Type-C 2.1 with OTG support, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi, NFC, and GPS with GLONASS. It's designed to keep you connected wherever your journey takes you. To wrap things up, the Oukitel WP33 Pro is a rugged 5G smartphone that doesn't compromise on durability or performance. With its robust design, impressive camera setup, and long-lasting battery, it's a reliable companion for those who live life on the edge. What are your thoughts on the WP33 Pro? Tell us in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.